Hi, my name is Frankie and I want to show you how I can use the Google Chrome extension named Stylus, S-T-Y-L-U-S, to customize chess.com's screens. So the first thing I need to do is I need to Google the name Stylus extension, click on Stylus, and what I need to do is to add it to Chrome, that extension. Okay, so Stylus has been added. Just need to make sure that I that I have it enabled here, pinned it. So let me pin the extension so that I can see the stylus is here. You go, that's it. Okay, now let's just go back, and here you go, that's the main menu. Okay, so I'm just going to click on manage, and maybe before that I'm going to go to live. Okay, so let me click on stylus, and then let me click on manage, and I'm going to click write new style, but I'm going to click the as user CSS checkbox. I'm going to check that box, and now let me just add in the generic code. Okay, let me click write new style. I'm going to hit Control A. No, I'm going to just show you that this is the standard code. Make it a bit larger. Okay, so I'm just going to name this as my stylus for chess.com. I'm going to save it. So I can close the tab, and now you can see that there's this what stuff almost doesn't reach. What the? Oh, okay. I need to change this to chess.com, and so the style codes here will work for the domain name chess.com. So let me just click save one more time, and now when I go back to having opened chess.com, the chess.com tab, I'm going to just click this, and now we can see that the style name is my stylus for chess.com. Okay, so I'm just going to click on the pencil to edit the style. Right, so what I'm going to do first of all is, for my first trick, I'm just going to customize the main board. Okay, and so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click save, and now when we go back to the screen here, you'll see that the chessboard is now changed to the custom background, gradient green background that I like. Okay, what else can we do with this? Next thing is I want to make sure that my chessboard preview will also use the gradient chessboard. So as you can see, this is now the standard. The mini chessboards are now using the default chessboard design of chess.com. So let me just change that. So let me just go back to here and click this. Okay, now once again, just to let you know, you need to click the save button, and also you can click the beautify button to maintain the code so that it looks consistent in terms of format. So we click save, and now you will see that the preview board, the mini chessboard, is now my green gradient board. Okay, let's talk about changing the pieces now. Okay, now let's go back to here and let's add the hold on a second. Now let's change the chess pieces, and let's change the king, white king. Let's go back to live. Now you see the white king has changed. Yeah, This is no longer the Neo Viking. It's changed. Okay, so what else can we do here? Mm, okay, let's add a animated GIF for the background. So I'm gonna click this here. Let's click beautify, close, save. Okay, and we should get an animated background. Not quite. Maybe it's because I need to log in to my maybe I need to log in to my account. Mm, okay, so now let me refresh this. Okay, it's working. Hmm. Okay, there you go. Okay, if I want to animate the entire background, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this code here. Okay, let's beautify the code one more time, save, and now your entire background is an animated GIF. Okay, now I can also change the cursor keys, the mouse cursor. So let me go back to here. Click that. Okay, so it works, right? That's a grab, that's a hover, and this is a point. And I can also have another set of cursors. Save. Just refresh the page. And now I can see it's my we call it the cursor is now by hand. It's hover, grab, and point. Okay, and basically that's it. You may have some problem with the animated GIF, but as long as you host it on your own website or host it in your own Google Drive or OneDrive account, and make sure that you have a login and username password so they can access that animated GIF, you should have no problem getting this. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Hi, Frankie here, and yes, and this time I'm going to show you how you can import a Stylus JSON file, JSON file, into your Stylus Chrome extension. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on Manage, and then here I can delete I'm going to delete the style first, so there are no other styles. So as you can see here, the style list is empty. So to import a style JSON file, it's very easy. You just need to click on Manage, and then you need to click on Import. Okay, and then search for the import file. In this case, this is my latest JSON file, which contains all the styles that I'm using in my streams. So click Open, and I think you can there you go, everything's loaded up already. Okay, so let me just close this, and let's see what we have. Let me just move it down here. Yeah, okay. So right now I've got quite a few things set up. Okay, maybe just uncheck everything so that it goes back to the standard Chester.com look. I can change the pieces. Now I'm changing it to a graffiti shadow. I can also click on this major rework. Basically, a lot of mods affected here. You can choose the green gradient. Okay, never mind that this thing's out because it works on my bigger monitor. I'm just showing you the point that I can, after importing all the styles, I can actually select and unselect them. Okay, and you can also click manage to export out your files. So you click export a JSON file with the date stamp of today, or the same date where you are doing the export will be the file name of the JSON file itself. Okay, so that's how you can import and export files, scripts into your Stylus Chrome extension. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.